Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a YouTube TV QR code. For that, you just have to simply on your TV, you need to search for YouTube and then you just have to come on this login page. Now over here, you can just log in into your account with these three methods, in which one of the methods is of scanning the QR code. So you need to simply click on the second option and then you will be able to see this type of code in front of you. So you can either scan this code or you can even go to this link or you can enter this code. So since you want to scan a code, you just have to open your mobile application and go to your camera. Now with the help of your camera, you just have to simply scan this QR code and then you will see the option of open link in front of you. Now once you click on that link, it will redirect you on your email addresses page, where you just have to select your email address and then you just have to select that particular email address which you want to basically use in order to sign in. So after selecting the email, your profile will be shown on your TV, and once it does, it simply means that you have successfully scanned the YouTube TV QR code and now you are into your YouTube account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.